Hello Moneymakers, Leon Tran here from How to Webmaster, back at it again at Reddit. And today I'm going to show you some programs and apps that you can use and make passive income with no effort. So there are companies that are paying you just to install an app on your phone or computer, and you have to do absolutely nothing. And here are some of the requirements. It's mostly available to the USA people, and many of these apps will require you to be 18 years or older, and majority of these apps will work only on Android devices. And here's a big warning note. So these apps are obviously kind of spammy, so they're gonna take your personal information and then maybe sell it or use it for advertisements, who knows. So that is the downside to installing advertisement apps. And on the upside, you make some money with it. So that's up to you to decide. And obviously, since you're not doing anything, you're not gonna make a whole lot of money. You're not gonna get rich from this. Here, this person making $75 a month, 100% passively. So that's enough to pay your phone bills or a nice dinner for two. So here are the apps that is recommended: McMoney, SMS Profit, Hyperdrive. So some of these apps they just pretty much track your performance, your internet speed, your data speed, and some of them are not even ads really. Like this one right here, Performance Meter. It just checks your mobile device performance, and then over time you get paid for it. And here's ratings for every app that is on the list. So this one gets a 5-star, and you make about almost $5 a month. And then here's McMoney. This one's 3-star. You make about $1.50. And this one you barely make anything, 30 cents. And 60. So a lot of these you don't make that much. So this one's 5-star, $2, $3. Alright, this one's pretty good, $10. I will leave a link for you guys to check out. Alrighty, I hope this helps. I hope this gives you some ideas. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more money making opportunities, tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy money making.